Good morning, everybody. Have a nice day. This is VNM program, means Vimut Nivan Maga in Sinhalese language, which call with the meaning of this sentence is the liberation path to enlightenment. So we already explained about the program from previous videos. Actually, this VNM program or Vimut Nivan Maga is a second season of this program. So you might seen this program before from my Surat Chamara YouTube channel and also my Facebook page, the MyTube channel. So the phase 1 already available in these two social medias, and also phase 2 already began in these two social medias. So in the phase 2 we already presented first program in this second season. The first stream we presented in Sinhalese language, and this English season we are attached to the behind the Sinhalese stream also as a part of it, because the marking of the program, Sinhalese program begins with 10.1 and ends with 10.30, and this program started with 10.31 and now this is 10.34 program. So it means this is the fourth program of this stream. So in the previous first program of this English stream, we already introduced you the philosophy and the Buddhism as the best philosophical study in the world. And then second program, we introduced you the ancient scriptures of Buddhism and explained about them. And the third program, we given you the classification of these holy scriptures, which means the Buddhist scriptures, how they come through the history and how they appeared in the world, and how they classified in Buddhist tradition, and also the details about Buddhist traditions. Now here today in this program we are going to explain you in the Theravada tradition. The Tripitaka is Theravada Tripitaka because from all Buddhist traditions remain in the world, the Theravada is the first tradition which is close to the mostly close to the original Buddhism. So that's why as a Sri Lankan Buddhist, we are guiding the world to follow the Theravada Buddhism, and we are also from this program we are guiding you to do a research in Theravada Buddhism. So this invitation for all those who wish to do a research, who like to do a research, who heard about Buddhism as the good spiritual or philosophical teaching pool of the world. So those people can join with this program and get the good guidance about these Theravada Tripitaka books and what are the teachings included in this pool of libraries. I mean the libraries because the Tripitaka book is a book, not only one book. It is a very huge book set. If we compare with the other religions, they will have some book set as presented as a one book, but in Buddhism, Tripitaka, there are so many books included, and we cannot say it is as a one book set. It was a books of library. It's like ocean with this knowledge. The pool of knowledge is like ocean, so we cannot compare it with any other. So it is the one main aspect of the Eastern philosophy. So now in this program we wish to introduce you the first division of Tripitaka, Theravada Tripitaka. We told them Vinaya Pitaka, and we told that this is from the previous program. We introduce you this discipline division. The discipline division is called Vinaya Pitaka, and this was the guidelines and the rules and regulations given in this division. Lord Tathagata Buddha given to his full-time disciples. We call Mahasangharatnaya, the Bhikkhu generation, our spiritual class of Buddhism. These Bhikkhus, Bhikkhu generation, Lord Gautam Buddha given all these rules and regulations as the discipline guidelines to conduct and continue their spiritual journey in Buddhism to find out the enlightenment. The normal people behind them, like us, we are our purpose and our duty is supporting them, providing them their essentials, and protecting them and getting advices from them one day to be one of them or follow them lifetime. So as a normal people, we are getting encouraged from them, and we also pass the message of Tathagata Buddha with them. So this is our duty. But Bhikkhu generation, they have more spiritual duties than us, and they are totally sacrifice their complete life to the research of enlightenment. So these rules and regulations are for them, but looking in them, but by looking them, we also get advices to our normal life. That is the purpose. So this Vinaya Pitaka, or the discipline division, has divided into 5 books. There are first 3 books: Parajika, Pachitya, Parivari. These 3 books are called basic discipline. There's all discipline guidelines given there. But the other 2 books, Mahavaggapali and Chullavaggapali, they are subtle discipline guidelines included there. This is not. This is very subtle. We have had to do some kind of very deep study included there. So also the history of Buddhism, the beginning of original Buddhism, also included there. We can say like some historical record also available in these books. So these are the 5 books: Mahavaggapali, Chullavaggapali, and Parajika Pali, Pachitya Pali, Parivara Pali. Pali means the ancient language, and also it mentioned about the, if we call one book, it's called in discipline division, there is this book called Pali. So there are 5 basic books there, but when make it like books, there are some number of books included there. In these books, the whole guidance for the Bhikkhu society available. So there are, before become a fully entitled Bhikkhu, the Bhikkhu Sanghas, each Bhikkhu has to spend a Samanera life, means the probation period. After that, they are getting Upasampada, the transformation to complete entitled fulfillment of Bhikkhuhood. It's called Upasampada. And after Upasampada, there is another period. After passing about 10 years, they become fully senior Bhikkhu and fully entitled as a Thavira. So, or Thero. This is the procedure of spiritual class of the Buddhism, the Bhikkhu generation's procedure. But for the normal people, we can get many guidance from these discipline guidelines to our life. But for us, Tathagata Buddha given many advices from many places in Tripitaka, like especially in some discord, given so many advices, and also we are also following guidelines. We commonly call the guidelines Sila, because it make our life discipline in our life. It makes our life disciplinary behavior, and it makes our life getting it's some kind of getting coolness in our life. So we call Sila. The Sila. For the normal people, they are following Panchasila. Actually, the Panchasila was some standard behavior available in ancient India, and Tathagata Buddha recommend these guidelines for the normal followers of Buddhism. So, what are these guidelines of Panchasila? Stay away from killing, stay away from thefting, stay away from adultery, and stay away from telling lies, and stay away from drunkenness. So these are the 5 guidelines we call Panchasila. And apart from the Panchasila, in the Buddhist tradition, normal people also following Uposatha Sila, because it is following in the Poya days. Poya days means the day depend according to the lunar of the moon. So full moon Poya day is the complete lunar shown with the moon. And there are also 3 other poet days. So totally 4 poet days available in the month, and the main poets was full moon poet day. So these, including that day also, these 4 days from the ancient times, in the Buddhist tradition, normal Buddhist followers, the devotees, they followed to spend their life within the guidelines of Uposatha Sila, which is means the Sila they conducted in 4 days. So these are the tradition for the normal people, and also the Upasampada Sila is the tradition for Bhikkhu generations. So this is the guidelines and what is included in the subjective area of the first division of Buddhism, Theravada Tripitaka, the Vinaya Pitaka. So I think you all get some idea about this Vinaya Pitaka through this small briefing. So we are also guiding you from this program to do a research about Buddhism, to do your research. Before you do your research, you get awarenesses from this program. Then we guide you to follow. We have 2 Facebook pages available in the internet, available in Facebook as Facebook pages. One is for Sinhala people, means Sinhala using Sri Lankans, the Sinhalese Buddhist and also other Sri Lankans. They can get guiding, or they can get a brief study about Theravada Tripitaka from the Sinhala page, Facebook, Dhampituwa. But for the other people who are using English language, non-Sri Lankans and foreigners around the world, they can use the Doctrine page, Facebook page, to their brief study about Theravada Tripitaka. So after you study one of these pages, you can start complete research about Buddhism by downloading Tripitaka from internet or getting as a book. So we encourage you to do this research from this program. So from the next program, we wish to explain you briefly about the second division. There will be some programs because it cannot explain you in one short video. So we designed to separate in many videos the subtle doctrinal division, Abhidhamma Pitaka. So let's meet with the other program from next video. So thank you very much. I am Suraj Chamara from VNM, Vimut Niwan Maga, the liberation path to enlightenment, the guidance to Buddhist philosophical studies. Thank you. Have a nice day.